A routine call to a public store quickly escalates when officers arrive to deal with a woman who had been reported for aggressive and disruptive behavior. What starts as a welfare check turns into a situation involving possible trespassing, mental distress, and later physical resistance during detention. Officers are legally allowed to detain her for investigation after reports of disturbance and suspicious behavior in a private business. However, the legality of force comes into question once the situation escalates from verbal compliance to physical restraint.
Yes, sir. And 602 dispatch will be 1012. Hello. Dallas, the police department.
That's good.
Police were dispatched after reports that a woman was yelling at customers and causing a scene inside a store. Store staff claimed she was behaving erratically and disrupting business operations. When officers arrived, they had lawful grounds to investigate for trespassing and public disturbance. The woman, however, appears highly distressed and begins explaining a series of personal crises, which complicates the interaction.
Hey, you got your ID on you?
Not.
Is it in that purse by chance?
It's not.
It is not?
No, it is not.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any identities.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any identities, sir.
Okay, you were talking just fine. Let's talk normal. What's your first name?
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm here to go. I'm sorry.
No, you're going to tell us your first name.
No, I'm not, sir. I'm sorry.
We can do this easy way, hard way. It's up to you.
What's the deal?
We're trying to find out who
What
you
is
are.
your first name, my lady?
We're trying to make sure you're safe and find out who you are real quick, okay? If you don't have any warrants or anything like that, then we're good. But I need to get your first name and all that information, okay?
I just woke up and I have deep sleep.
I
So
got you.
I'm just not interested in doing that.
Understandable, but this ain't a bedroom.
Oh, okay. I'm going to walk to my bedroom.
Where's your bedroom?
I'm not interested in telling anybody right now. I just woke up from sleep.
Uh-huh.
What's your first name?
I'm not going to give out any names.
What's that?
I'm not going to give out any names, sir. I'm so sorry.
Well, you're not free to leave right now.
Okay, then.
So let's begin with your first name because are you familiar with what resisting is? If you don't give me your information, that is what we call resisting.
Yes, sir.
So what is your first name, young lady?
I don't have one.
Open up your purse and give me your ID.
I don't have one. I don't have one, sir.
You don't have one?
No, I actually have to get my ID back today.
From where?
My girlfriend's house. Allegedly.
Okay, then give my officer your first name.
No, thank you.
Huh?
No, thank you.
At this stage, officers are not making an arrest yet. They are conducting a lawful investigative detention based on reports of disorderly conduct and possible trespassing. Her refusal to identify herself escalates the situation legally, giving officers more authority to continue the detention.
No, give him it now. Or we're going to go in cuffs and we're going to walk downstairs and I'll find out who you are later. You said she's been trespassed before by officers and everything? You got the case number?
Yes, sir. I was just contacting my supervisor, and it looks like her too.
Okay. 602 dispatch.
Okay, no, thank you, sir.
Say what?
I said, okay, no, thank you, sir. I had the skateboarding on, and I fell asleep. I apologize.
Okay.
Now they're watching racing.
We're just trying to help you make sure you're okay.
Can you please move out the way?
Huh?
Can you please not stand over me like that?
I'm not trying to intimidate you or anything, but if you live here, why are you sleeping up here on the couch?
I said I was watching skateboarding and now
Oh,
they're
you're watching.
racing.
You're
I
watching
fell asleep
something.
in the middle
Oh,
of it.
okay.
Oh, this does not feel good. I gotta use the restroom.
Not yet.
I really do have to use
I
the
know.
restroom.
Not right now.
Okay, well, I'm going.
No, dude, no, stop.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there.
Please
Go
don't touch
sit
me.
over here. Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch
Go
me.
sit back over there.
Please don't touch
You're
me.
not free to go. Stop.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there. Stop. You're not free to go.
You're not free to touch me.
Legally, once officers establish reasonable suspicion and she refuses lawful commands during a detention, they are allowed to escalate to physical control if necessary. This is the point where the situation shifts from voluntary cooperation to enforced compliance.
Yeah, Yes, I am.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are
For
detained.
what?
You are detained.
For what?
For an investigation. Go sit down.
What type of investigation?
I'm not gonna take it. Sit
Let
down.
go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Seriously, let go of me.
Sit down.
Seriously?
If you don't
Let
sit
go
down,
of
we'll
me.
put you in cuffs.
Seriously, let go of me.
Turn around. Turn around. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Seriously, let go of me.
No.
I got you.
Okay, why?
Well,
What did I do?
will do.
Just
All right,
ask to use
bye.
the restroom? I have to put a restraining order on you.
Sorry. Good. Just give, yeah.
Yep.
Here. Put her on the ground instead of putting her on this. Lady, would you stop?
Seriously?
Can we catch real quick?
I just have to pee. Can I please pee?
You just kicked me?
Can I pee? I'm wondering how many good I'm scared if I can use the restroom. Sir, will you walk me to the restroom?
You're under
That's
arrest.
definitely not happening.
So she doesn't try to slip them.
Stop
Now you're
kicking
going
me.
to jail for
Stop
freaking
kicking
battery
me.
on LEO.
Double up in here.
That's that one.
Let go of me!
Stop. Stop.
What the fuck? You're hurting my knees so bad.
Well, stop kicking and stop squirming.
I just want to use the restroom.
From a legal standpoint, once arrest is declared, officers are permitted to use reasonable force to ensure compliance. Her physical resistance during this stage legally justifies additional charges and escalation of force.
755 dispatch. We got 11015. Stop kicking!
So use the restroom.
You will when you get to go to jail.
Sure. Please stop. Please. Get your hands off my ass. Please get your hands off of my ass. Please!
Hey, sorry. If
Can
you
get
got
your
a
hands off my
hobble,
ass?
or if somebody else wants to come here with a hobble, she's like kicking us and everything too.
Please get your hands off of my ass. Please. Please. Stop. Please just let me use the restroom. That's all I ask. Holy shit.
Stop kicking, okay?
I just want to use the restroom. That's all I'm asking. What is wrong? What did I do?
Well, you're under arrest for trespassing. You're under arrest for battery on LEO now. We're gonna just have you write a statement too about the previous incident, and then was that?
Let me use the restroom.
Yeah, I
Let me
appreciate
use the
it.
restroom. Seriously.
Yes, sir. No worries.
Please let me use the restroom.
Yeah, no worries, sir. We appreciate it.
Please stop.
Stop.
Just we'll just.
Can you get off of me?
No,
Why?
because you're kicking us. And
Because you're on me.
Because you're resisting us.
No, I'm asking if I can do something. Will you walk me?
No,
I'm not resisting.
you are resisting.
What?
Why am I going to trust you now when you didn't do what we asked the first time?
What did you ask?
To stop kicking us, and what do you do? Keep kicking us.
You're
I
pathetic.
asked you to
Okay.
sit down. You wouldn't sit
Get off
down.
of me. Get off of me!
Relax.
Get off of me!
Stop. Stop.
Get off of me!
Stop hitting your head.
Restroom.
Stop hitting your head into
Get
things.
off of me! You're hurting me so badly! Get off of me! Please get off of me! Please let go of me!
Stop.
You have no fucking clue what this is! Let go of me! Holy shit, bro. Please stop. You're scaring me. Get off of my back now.
Stop.
No, my
Stop hitting your head against the gate.
Please, get off of me.
She just scratched me too.
Get off of me, pathetic piece of shit. Just let me use the restroom. Please stop. Please stop.
Yeah.
Why are you doing this? All I said was I didn't want to sit down. I wanted to use the restroom. It's literally it. Can I use the restroom? Get off of my back! Hey,
Stop hitting your head against the
get
ground.
off of my back!
Yeah, we'll pick her up.
Get off of my back!
Sorry, can't do that right now.
Yes,
Y'all
you
have
did.
to take her down? Yeah.
Can you grab
Stop hitting your head against the floor.
Get off of my back.
Yeah.
Back up.
Somebody's trying to get
I'll put it here.
whatever that is.
Shit.
You're so bad.
Alright, my hands are on your back, you see?
Please let me use the restroom.
Just stop, miss.
Please stop. Ew, oh my god. Get him off of me.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you want to do
Make
it?
sure you grab her by underneath her, by her shoulders and everything.
You're not
Do
biting
not
me.
try to bite him.
This?
No, you're under arrest.
This?
For what?
Like,
For what?
go underneath her. Yeah,
What am I under arrest for is what I'm asking.
on this side?
For
Underneath
what?
her shoulder.
For where?
Like this right here.
What am I trespassing?
Underneath here. And he's gonna get in the legs. Yeah.
So gross.
You get that, son?
Yeah.
Why are you doing this?
Because you can't behave, right?
All I asked is to go to the restroom. You guys are the most disgusting.
Yeah.
You're hurting my ankles. Can I please walk?
Sorry.
Why are you arresting me like this? It hurts. What did I do?
You want a flashlight too?
Yeah, he's got the flashlight.
Cool.
I fucking hate it here. Can you carry me differently? Do you have any idea what you're doing to my body?
Here, you go down the
Can
knee.
you please carry me differently?
Can you walk like...
Yeah, I can walk if he doesn't put me in
Okay,
that.
no.
Stop.
You keep spitting, you're not going to get a chance. You understand?
Don't spit on him. Stop.
It's on my knees.
What started as a disturbance call inside a store escalated into a full physical arrest after repeated refusal to comply with lawful instructions. While the suspect showed signs of emotional distress and personal hardship, the legal basis for arrest was established through refusal to identify, obstruction, and physical resistance. The situation highlights how quickly a non-criminal welfare-style call can escalate into a use-of-force incident when compliance breaks down.